finally here. It's just getting started, guys. A lot of companies from all over the world. Yesterday we had a greeting party. We already met some people. Let's go.
别墅里面唱 K， 水池里面饮龙鱼。我送阿硕茶具，他研磨下笔，直接给我4个字算大展宏图。大师亲手提笔字，大展宏图。搬来放在办公室，哎，大展宏图，员工都点头。有料，鸿运不能总是当头，因为当老。
Today we're gonna meet even more people than yesterday. We are making some contacts because we want to expand global. We are getting into US market, Asian market, Norwegian market, German market. So we're gonna be all over the world. Basically, this expo gonna help us to expand.
我说是对兄弟，不是扑死。细佬安吃弱面，电脑天天有面，蓝老拿把双手来使劲。
On the left hand side, this is our partner Axi.
江湖总是形形色色，谁还没点诟病？一个二个阿硕喜欢看风景，蓝老听我讲，街头中无道废掉。蓝老要没钱也得搏命稳，蛮低劳力士还是 AMG。
To be honest, we are here the only company that is showing AI tool for trading. The only company. I think it's pretty amazing. This is AI bot which is trading by itself, so you don't need to basically open positions. You don't need to look every 5 minutes what's going on. You can just open bot. He will trade for you guys.
他研磨下笔，直接给我4个字算大展宏图。大师亲手提笔字，大展宏图，搬来放在办公室，哎，大展宏图，员工都点头。有料，鸿运不能总是当头，因为
七楼混着66大上面一个谋朝，七星月就小被套进我的河。谋朝，帝女花是我的California love，给人家回个白雪仙的白云吃个农家乐。
Win rate is more than 87%. It's quite impressive, I would say. For the last few days, this trading bot made me over 50% of account. Okay, 50%.
我不敢全去粵語 rap， 我 stand 到我 stand 唔到嘅，屌佢屌到佢阿媽都唔認得，喺珠江 spur 當西龍做到這波同飲涼茶。克，正話小東家，廣東接住潮流 trendset， 海印打過 CD 像自然杯子在那 SPA 游泳池水質必須夠乾淨，這是潛規則，老子好絕不會變，為了炒燒包夾，蜂蜜點綴的吃的粽子絕對生的節水的大展宏圖，我鏈子練累了電腦。
別墅裡面唱 K， 水池裡面飲龍魚。我送阿碩茶具，他研磨下筆，直接給我4個字算。